Hey there, how's your trading going? Let me show you some Algo Financial market analysis that will give you edge, and this really kind of matters. Did you know 80% of retail traders are really unprofitable? Now, this is the guy we like to follow. His name's James Simmons, founder of Renaissance Technologies, who's had a personal salary of only a measly $2 billion. Now, if you're looking for a job, and most of our community do look for jobs, top salary for a high frequency trading developer or even a quant researcher starts at $500,000. Typical daily volumes in the global FX markets can reach over $5 trillion a day. So the question is, who am I? My name is, of course, Brian Downing. Now, I've got 30 plus years of software engineering experience, and I've experienced in all industries. So what do people say? We all know this book from Dr. Ernie Chan, Algorithmic Trading, Winning Strategies and Their Rationale. This is a direct quote from Dr. Ernie Chan. I'm indebted to Brian Downing for introducing me to some of the trading technologies mentioned in Chapter 1. Now, what do our quantlabs.net visitors look like? Well, over 66% make over $100,000 per year. 59% came out of grad school, and that's verified from Quantcast. Now, our global traders can be reached throughout the world. We have them from Asia, North America, Europe, South America, you name it, we got them. Now, here's a simple process that we go through for algo trading. First, we have to capture market data, analyze it, and of course, execute our trades. Now, we all like our effective visualization, but here's how we really do it. We have our own infrastructures, all based upon open source trading technologies and solutions. We also have a set of strategies which are end-to-end implementation with demos. We also include an analytics service which results in trader edge with huge profit potential. And of course, we cannot forget about risk management, which will minimize loss with intelligent risk assessment and portfolio optimization. Now, we got all the assets covered for all our strats. We cover FX, stock, credit, mutual funds, indices, futures, options, ETF. Now, this is a typical process we go through bottom up for financial analysis. We start with data collection and normalization. Then we do the strategy development. Then we make the trading decisions, put their order management in, and of course from there we measure through our profit and loss. Now here's basic investment in money. We want to focus on indices or ETFs because they're very low expenses. There's always the threat of inflation. We're always looking for rising interest rates. We also try to determine stock price earnings, as well as we know that risky investments pay more and stocks obviously outperform other investments. But here's the unlimited opportunity. This is one of many, many data points that we can look at by country, by population, and we can also do it by date, anytime we want. These are the typical processes and phases that we go through strategy development. We identify the market source, gather data intelligence, determine the opportunity, watch trading assets in parallel. No human can do that. We formulate a strategy and then we execute our orders. Now, we also like our fundamental analysis concepts. We like market balance, or what's in the equilibrium of the market. So we use century-old market supply and demand. We also like using forward-looking data. Gives us earnings guidance, which obviously provides confidence in our forecasting. We also like to look at macro, which obviously impacts currency and commodity flow. So the metrics do matter. Enables us to establish decisions around foundations and proper parameters. We also like to look at our portfolio weighting, of course, maybe what money and what capital and where should it go. So there you go. The automation with algos is the future. And this is just a snapshot on how you should use modern financial analysis. Now we've got over 15,000 people in our community. Question is, are you a go-getter? Well, your journey begins today, so join our community now.